Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best delicate wash is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of laundry care, especially when dealing with those precious garments that demand a gentler touch. From the delicate embroidery on your favorite blouse to the intricate lace on your grandmother's heirloom tablecloth, choosing the right detergent can mean the difference between preserving the beauty of your clothes and causing irreversible damage. Today, we're diving deep into the world of delicate laundry detergents, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you choose the perfect product to keep your cherished items looking their best for years to come. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Sheets. It tackles tough stains and odors, leaving no harsh residue. Get up to 60 loads of fresh cleaning in hot or cold water. These pre-measured sheets simplify laundry at home or on the go. No mess, no measuring, just clean clothes. Enjoy a gentle, fresh scent that leaves your clothes smelling clean and crisp. It's a subtle fragrance you'll love. It's lightweight, microplastic-free, and comes in a compact package. Plus, it's hypoallergenic and gentle on your skin. With every purchase, we donate laundry detergent to shelters and disaster relief organizations. We've already donated over 300 million loads. What we like? It's eco-friendly and comes in convenient sheets, perfect for travel. The fresh scent leaves your clothes smelling amazing. If you're looking for a sustainable and easy laundry solution, this is it. What people say. What I found is they work just as well as Tide in terms of getting things clean and not fading colors. I love that I am creating a lot less refuse given the container they are in versus a big plastic jug of detergent. They smell good but not overpowering. We have not had any bits of the sheets stuck on clothes. Individual pre-cut sheets. Easy to tear apart or cut apart with scissors for smaller loads. No strong scent. Number 4. Woolite Delicates Detergent. Introducing Woolite Delicates, the hypoallergenic detergent that's gentle on your skin and your clothes. It's perfect for hand washing or machine washing your most delicate items. Wash after wash, it keeps your favorite clothes looking their best. Even after 30 washes, they'll still look like new. Say goodbye to fading, shrinking, and stretching. It's safe for a wide variety of fabrics, including wool, silk, cashmere, cotton, satin, and polyester. Whether you hand wash or use a regular or high-efficiency machine, it's the perfect choice for all your delicate laundry needs. It's free from harsh chemicals like bleach, phosphates, and enzymes, ensuring gentle care for your clothes. Experience the Woolite difference. Woolite Delicates is the perfect solution for keeping your delicate clothes looking their best. It's gentle, effective, and suitable for all washing methods. What we like? This hypoallergenic formula is gentle on sensitive skin and clothes. It keeps your delicates looking new, wash after wash. If you have sensitive skin or want to preserve your clothes, you should consider this. What people say. This liquid detergent works great for hand washing clothes, removing dirt while being gentle on fabrics. It lathers well, rinses easily, and leaves clothes fresh and clean. It is as gentle on your nose as it is on your clothes. It worked exactly as advertised. No weird residue, no fading, just clean and soft. Kept my clothes as white as when I sent them. Great for hand washing without gloves. It doesn't leave any chemical smell or cause irritation. Number 3. Dirty Labs Hand Wash and Delicates. This detergent is specially formulated for your most delicate items, like silks and wools. It's gentle on fabrics and the planet, thanks to its plant-based ingredients. It's tough on stains and odors, but gentle on your clothes and skin. Our advanced enzyme technology targets dirt at the source, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. It's made with non-toxic, biodegradable ingredients, and its hyper-concentrated formula means less packaging and a smaller carbon footprint. It's better for you and the environment. Simply follow the garment care instructions. For hand washing, use 8 to 12 milliliters. For machine washing, use 8 to 16 milliliters depending on load size. It's compatible with all washing machines. It's dermatologist tested and recognized by the National Eczema Association. It's free of harsh chemicals like sulfates, dyes, and parabens, making it safe for sensitive skin, babies, and pets. Choose Dirty Labs Hand Wash and Delicates for effective, eco-friendly cleaning that's gentle on everything you care about. Discover the difference today. What we like? Its enzyme technology tackles tough stains gently. It's also hyper-concentrated and eco-friendly. If you need powerful cleaning without harsh chemicals, this is the one for you. Number 2. Suds Delicate Wash. It's made with clean, simple ingredients, developed by a pediatric nurse and mom to be safer for everyone, even those with sensitive skin. It's also certified cruelty-free and made in the USA. This delicate wash gently removes stains and deodorizes your clothes, leaving them fresh and clean. It's perfect for your most delicate items. It's specially formulated with a mild pH to be gentle on delicate fabrics like dress shirts, lingerie, and fine knits. It's ideal for preserving the shape and appearance of your garments. It's a concentrated detergent that deeply cleans your clothes, washing away dirt, debris, oils, and stains. It protects fine yarn fibers and helps prevent warping, stretching, and pilling. Simply fill your sink with cool water and add a squirt. Gently squeeze your delicates to work it in, then rinse until the water runs clear. Finally, gently squeeze out excess water and lay flat to dry. What we like? Made with clean, simple ingredients, it's gentle on clothes and skin. It's safe for even the most sensitive fabrics. If you prioritize natural and safe products, this is a great choice. What people say? You use less, it smells good but never irritates my sensitive skin, and is super easy to use for both machine washing and hand washing. It has a very light lavender smell, not overpowering at all. This high-quality detergent is easy on skin. Suds is free of the nasty ingredients other brands use. Number 1. Woolite Delicates Detergent. Woolite is specially formulated to keep your delicate clothes looking their best. It's gentle enough for even the most fragile fabrics. Say goodbye to shape loss, fiber damage, and pilling. It's the perfect solution for washing your most treasured items. With Woolite, your delicate garments will stay looking newer, longer. Experience the difference a specialized detergent makes. It's more than just a detergent, it's a care system designed to protect your delicate fabrics. Trust it to keep your clothes looking their best. From delicate blouses to fine sweaters, it provides the gentle care your clothes need. Make Woolite your go-to for all your delicate laundry needs. This convenient pack of 4 16-ounce bottles ensures you'll always have enough detergent on hand to keep your delicates looking their best. Stock up and enjoy the convenience. What we like? It's specially formulated to protect your delicate garments from damage. It keeps your clothes looking new for longer. If you want to extend the life of your delicates, this is the detergent for you. What people say? I use this for my bras and underwear, and some delicate clothing I hand wash. It works great. It makes them last longer too. Worked exceptionally well when hand washing my merino wool socks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.